Some old school investors think crypto is a scam and that it's going to disappear after this bear market and be overtaken by fiat once again. I believe that there are 7 good reasons why crypto is here to stay. 1. The growth and the market value of crypto is incredible. It's worth currently $3 trillion compared to $40 trillion for fiat, and growing. There's a lot of people and experts who think that crypto will overtake fiat currency by the year 2050. 2. Decentralized. Crypto is by nature reliable and safe since its transactions are spread across the blockchain, which is an anonymous network of nodes. Look at what happened to Interac in Canada. The whole Interac payment system went down for almost 24 hours, and this was due to the fact that it's owned by a single company. The Ukraine used crypto to fund relief and supplies for civilians in war efforts. Remember, the government can actually print money and change the interest rates at any time. You have no say. 3. Many crypto projects are highly funded and backed by experienced teams of investors and participants. Rarely do fly-by-night coders sit at home in their underpants thinking that they're going to just create a crypto and then disappear. The ones that last do. 4. Anonymous. By nature, crypto is anonymous and does not show any personal information on the blockchain. The only thing that is shared is your wallet address, and it has no connection to who you are, where you live, or what country you're from. 5. Safe storage. Smart contracts are stored in a distributed manner on the blockchain, not a single web server, unlike Facebook or Twitter or all the other major social media platforms. 6. Fees. Fees are incredibly cheap with crypto, much less than typical merchant account or Visa fees that take anywhere from 3 to 6%. Crypto is under 1%, more like a decimal of 1%. 7. Applications. Regular fiat money is just that. It's a currency and that's it. Crypto, however, can have applications attached to it, and it extends the value of them. There are decentralized applications, NFTs, there's play-to-earn gaming. Possibilities are endless. Crypto is so much more diverse in terms of the nature of its currency.